In previous years, digital was an important part of our marketing plan, but over the course of the last year, we shifted our strategy and put digital at the center of our dealership's marketing plan. Our goal was to use specifically Google products to change campaign creative and automate key parts of the process to help us meet our monthly sales targets for new and used inventory. We started by echoing the regional promotional messages that GM was putting in the market, and then customized our own messaging to show specific dealer offers and events, which kept the campaigns fresh and relevant and gave a consistency across GM touchpoints like the GM website and our own dealer website. We worked with eDealer to connect our inventory feed directly into AdWords so we could build campaigns focused on price, vehicle features, more relevant ads to shoppers searching for particular models. We also built in urgency for our clearance sales, events, and unique inventory models. Google's display network proved to be an effective upper funnel awareness driver to deliver a compelling message to customers in the thinking and researching stages. We used remarketing lists for search ads to reach customers who had previously visited our website and were ready to convert. In the end, the results speak for themselves. We saw a 66% year-over-year profit increase. I have no doubt in my mind that is directly connected to our work with eDealer and Google. We're proud to have been awarded the Dealer Digital Excellence Award. We're going to continue to evolve our strategy and think digital first.